Hey guys, this is Jake, and this is another how-to video. And today we are going to be making fireworks. It's going to be awesome. So what you'll need is gunpowder, any type of dye. You're going to need paper, and okay, I think that's it. Let's get started. So to start making a firework, you gotta have a firework star. So I'm gonna show you how to make one, and it's gonna be cool. Okay, so we add one gunpowder, and then we add our dye. Yep. Okay, and there's our firework star. And then how to make an actual firework. You just use one firework star, one piece of paper, and gunpowder. Okay? And I'm going to let you know this gunpowder only reaches like maybe a couple meters. And you can increase the height by adding more gunpowders. So this is small, this is medium, and this is high. And so my favorite is high. So let's do it. Okay. The weather outside is frightful. Okay. Weather clear. Okay. Well, okay. So let's try it. See? And there is a firework. But before we end the video, I want to show you the cool things that you can do with fireworks. Okay? So we have our fireworks star. Let's do blue. Okay? So we have a fireworks star, and then we can change it so where it can go to a different color. So let's do purple. Okay? So that's going to fade to purple. And then let's add our paper, one piece, and our gunpowder, which I'm going to do too, so you can see the height. Let's put that up there. And then let me show you this. Did I seriously? Okay. So let's show you the. See, and then it fades to purple. It's super cool. And by the way, that's my crafting room. And then we're also going to do something else that's really cool. And what it's going to do is it's going to be different colors. So I'll show you. So let's add green, some cyan, and let's do some blue. Okay, and then we're going to add our piece of paper, and I'm going to do the one piece of gunpowder to show you also the high on that. Okay, and then see, look at all those different colors. It's really cool. This is a real cool thing, and I'm going to end the video. But before I end it, watch the next episode that I'm gonna post. and it tells you how to do like special effects to fireworks, like how about a creeper face. So please like and subscribe, and I will be posting more how-to videos. Okay, thanks, bye.